Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today we installed a new lock assembly on a garage door. We changed the deadbolt and we changed the lock itself. I do have a lot of other videos up, which I will put a link down below of how to install both these locks here, because we did them on an exterior door here as well. But today I want to talk about what do you do when you have the key that goes into the lock on the deadbolt. It goes in this direction, and on the one that you enter the room with goes in this direction, the opposite direction. So today I'm going to show you how to switch the lock assembly around so that both keys go in this way, upright. All right, fairly easy. All we need is the tool that came in the kit. This, by the way, is a Kwikset lock assembly. We're going to need this, and we're going to need a screwdriver, and that's about all we're going to need. All right, so let's get started, and I'll show you how to switch it around. First thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the door itself. First thing we're going to do is we're going to come in the back with this tool that came with it here, the Allen key. We go in right to the back over here, put it in till it touches, and then loosen it. Maybe 1-2 revolutions, that's all, just like that. Pull it out. Take this. Doesn't come off, so we're going to have to loosen it just a little bit more. You don't want to loosen it too loose, but we have to have it loose enough to get it to come past. We'll take this off. Let's put it down on the floor. And this is what I mean about the key. See how the key goes in? It goes in this way. We didn't want the key going in this way. We wanted the key going in the same way it goes into the upper lock, this way. See? This is the upper lock here. See how it goes in? This way? That's the way we want the bottom lock as well, so that it goes in this way. But unfortunately, we need to take the key, turn it over, and put it in like that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to switch this lock cylinder around so that it's the correct direction. All right? Okay, so this is how we're going to do it. Right up underneath here, there's a little tiny clip right inside here. We're going to push that clip down. We're going to grab with our fingers, and we're going to pull it. Be very careful. You do not want to lose that clip, okay? We're going to hold the clip like this, take the cylinder out, turn it over, put it back in, put the clip back in here, push it all the way up, and now our key fits in the same direction as the upper, just like that. Okay? Next thing we're going to do, we're going to take our handle, put our handle back on. And I will tell you this, if you leave this handle off and you try to work the lock from the other side, you're going to realize the lock does not work. That's normal. So now we put this over the top like this, push it all the way in as far as it can go. Put our key, Allen key, back in here, and then we're going to snug this down until it's tight. Okay. And now we test our lock on the inside. It locks. Locked. Put the key in. Turn it. And it unlocks. So we have this key now goes in this way, and the upper key goes in the same way. See, like this. And this one then goes in the same way, instead of having two keys the opposite direction. One upside down and one right side up. They're both now the same way. All right, and that's pretty much it. All right, so as you can see, changing that lock from one direction, or I should say from one direction around to the other direction, is fairly simple. The only thing I'm going to tell you to do is be extremely careful with that little U-shaped clip that comes off, because if that U-shaped clip gets broken or gets lost by accident, you can have a hard time finding a new one. So that's the only problem you have to be careful with, is make sure you don't lose that piece, that U-shaped clip inside there. But that's it. This job is done, and on to the next one. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.